Good morning. We have our little hen, Morticia, just loving on an egg over there. Look at her. Come here and level this area out and remove a tree because we're going to make this the pig area. I'm probably going to put a couple different pens in here for boys and girls. And it's a lovely, beautiful day. And this is going to be the pig barn. Carrie, watch out. Needs a little bit of work, but this is the pig barn. I have to get this all set up today because we're getting pigs. Yeah, we're getting pigs, Gary. You have no idea. I wonder how Gary feels. All this food around and he can't eat it. Yeah. Pigs. This is a good, wait, there's a exposed area here. Might need to close that off. I don't know what this was ever used for. No idea, but there's hog wire here. What would this be? I don't know. This people were here before. I don't get them. Anyways, this is the pig barn. Or it's going to be the pig barn. I'll have to put something up there in that corner temporarily so that they can't eat that insulation. Okay, so I didn't film it, but I did end up moving the chicks out that night. Obviously, my hands were a bit full because of the box and trying to get all this stuff out here. But they're in this room now. I don't know what this room is or was supposed to be, but it looks like somebody was using it as a music room, and there's egg cartons on the wall for soundproofing. So, that being said, they're in this room now in the barn, and I'm happy about it because they don't stink up my house anymore. But yeah, they're getting really big. They're getting really feathered. Oh my. And I think they're a little bit cold because they do huddle under this heat lamp quite a bit. Whereas before they didn't, they would be elsewhere. But lively today, aren't ya? These little shits are going to figure out how to get out. You watch. They're smarter than you think. I am at the Real Canadian Superstore parking lot in Pitt Meadows. And we have piggies. Hi, girls. You guys okay? You guys okay? Yeah, you pooped. You pooped in my car. We won't show that on video. They're actually being really good in the car. Yeah, you're being really good.
Hey, piggy!
Girls are very unhappy.
They are. They're standing in the corner, right, and I feel bad for them right now. And I know they can handle some rain, but they need to be able to dry off, too.
Yeah. Are you cold? Hey. I hope you're warm soon. Spring's coming. Yeah. You're fine. Just made a little farm salad here. This is some old bread. And we have some carrots that are kind of wilty. And I chopped up some apple that was starting to get bruised and gross. So we're going to feed this to the animals. Oh, you guys know. You know about that farm salad, don't you? Hey. Farm salad time. Huh? Ha. Come on. Oh. The piggies. Goats. You want some farm salad? Here. Apple in there. Okay, give the rest to the pigs. Quite a bit. Piggies, you want some farm salad? What's this? Oh, sorry. Yep, farm salad. Carrot. Carrot. Yum. Okay, how am I gonna do this? I gotta feed them. Piglets have their treats and dinner, and I just topped up their water over there and moved it so it doesn't get dirty as fast. Munchin'.